Alright, there's multiple ways that you can test an OEM exhaust compared to a aftermarket exhaust. There's decibel readings that you can find. You can find numerous videos on drive-bys and whatnot to see what the sound difference is. I prefer to use something I call the wife method. I'll show you what that is. Currently, I just had the bike running, it's warmed up, and I've got the OEM exhaust. So let's check out the wife method. Okay, so far the OEM exhaust passed the wife method. Okay, so I ran the bike for a little bit and my wife meter didn't go off. Nothing. Let's try it with the aftermarket Toce exhaust. Alright, I got my Toce exhaust installed, the bike is warmed up. Let's try the wife meter one more time. Nothing yet. The wife meter's going off. Hello?
What the heck was that?
The Toce exhaust?
Oh, it's a lot louder than the last one.
I'm sorry.
But it's deeper too, so I actually kind of like it.
Excellent.
I can hear it. I can hear it all the way in the house.
Oh, alright. What's for dinner?
I don't know.
Okay. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
So, wife approved. The exhaust is louder, but it is deeper.